Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove watermark in the Filmora mobile app. First, open the Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your main screen, tap on New Project and select the video, clips or photos you want to edit. Then tap Import to the editor. Now you can all your editing, trim clips and music you want. Once you are done editing, it's time to export your video. Now here is the thing, if you are using the free version, Filmora will add a watermark to your video. To remove it, you need to subscribe their premium plan. Tap the option that says remove watermark or upgrade to remove watermark. You will be shown a few plans, monthly, yearly or one-time purchase. Choose the plan that works best for you and follow the on-screen steps to subscribe using your Apple ID. After upgrading, go back and tap export again. Now your video will be saved without the watermark. You can now save it anywhere, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok with no Filmora logo. And that's it. That's how you remove the watermark in the Filmora mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.